All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Drip Network, 365% on your initial investment, 1% a day, every single day. We link a video at the end about that. Well, today we're going to be talking about Cream Finance. This thing is up right now. It's trending on CoinMarketCap, #1 trend. So we're going to do a little bit of deep dive on Cream Finance, what's going on with that. And then also Grayscale, overwhelming support for Grayscale BTC to get actually approved as an investment fund. You know, the United States is actually behind Canada, so they're trying to get themselves going. So pretty good article on that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. We've been talking about passive income with cryptocurrency, doing things such as Drip Network, doing things like as Drip Garden, also node projects, strong nodes. We've got a couple strong nodes. That's been going real well for us. We've got 3 of them. We also got the Project X nodes. We got 4 of those. We're getting 6 more of those on Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday. So doing the passive income with cryptocurrency, there's ways to make money with crypto other than just buying the coin and hoping it shoots to the moon, even though that's a good strategy sometimes. All right, let's head over to Cream Finance. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, number 605. Look at this crazy stuff going on. 72% up in the last 7 days. Woo! Cream Finance up 42% in the last 24 hours. So a lot of things are down. I mean, look at right below it, up 70%. A lot of things are down, being traded at $59.49. Clicking it. Cream Finance up 43% today. $59.49 this is being traded at. Let's take a look at the one-day average. It was all the way down at $41, and it jumped all the way up to $77, and it kind of came back down. Looking at the 7 days, it was down here at $35. Look at that. Cream Finance is moving ahead. All right, let's check out these holders of Cream Finance. This is the first time we're doing a video on Cream Finance. Bringing it out to the viewers here. 3 months average. Don't even know what to look at here. So 3 months ago, there was 8,300 holders, 8,500. So 200 more. Big uptick going on here. So Cream Finance. Let's check as much out as we can about this. Over here at the website, cream.finance. Crypto rules everything around me. It says go to the app, go to the formal, go to documentation. So going to the formal is right here. What is Cream Finance? So here, let's do an overview. Cream Finance is the decentralized lending protocol for individuals and protocols to access financial services. Protocol is permissionless, transparent, and non-custodial. Currently, Cream is live on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Phantom. Oh, they got it on Phantom too. Very nice. Cream Finance smart contract money markets are focused on long-tail assets with the goal of increasing capital efficiency for all assets in the crypto market. Users are able to lend any support access onto the market and use the provided capital as collateral to borrow another supported asset. Pretty interesting. Cream offers a wide range of tokens on a money market, including stablecoins, DeFi coins, LP tokens, and cryptocurrencies. It's got your different links, so where you can go. So it says the reserve factor on the percentage of fees paid to Cream protocol, reserve factor is 10. That would apply 10% of the interest paid on the asset is for Cream. So here's a couple of what their percentages are. All right, jumping over here to their actual Twitter account. You can go over to Cream Finance and play this video. There's some music on here with like Snoop Dogg and stuff. I can't play it because of the copyrights things. But you're going to definitely want to go to the Cream Finance Twitter account and play this. It's 1:33 long. You know, when you go over to their actual forum, they got general chats, proposals, feedbacks, frequently asked questions. Welcome to the Discord, so you can kind of plug into that. All right. So pretty good stuff here. We're going to go ahead and check out this Grayscale and trying to become a legal tender for an investment product. They're following Canada on this, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's check out Grayscale. Overwhelming support for Grayscale BTC Trust ETF conversation proposal. Investors air their thoughts why the SEC should approve the conversion of the Grayscale BTC Trust into the spot of EFT. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has allowed comments and feedbacks on proposed rule change that would convert the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to spotted base exchange traded fund EFT. The notice of the filing of the proposal rule change to list and trade shares of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust as spot based EFTs has generated a long list of comments with large majorities in approval. They actually checked it out. 95% of the people are in approval right there. Several respondents to the SEC proposal argue that the regulators had already approved the future-based exchange-traded products, so spotted-based products should logically come next. The U.S. risks falling behind other countries such as Canada, which has already approved such investment products. A spot-based fund would be physically backed by the assets itself, opposed by backing by the future contracts from the Chicago Exchange, which is how existing Bitcoin BTC EFTs operate. So again, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust trying to get everything lined up here in the United States here. It says right here, Grayscale originally hinted at converting the world's largest BTC fund into the spot EFT in October. On February 4th, the SEC delayed the decision on the conversions of the 37 billion GBTC fund, citing the same familiar concerns regarding manipulation, liquidity, and transparency. So as you can see, overwhelming support for Grayscale BTC Trust EFTs going on here. All right, so that's pretty good news there. Grayscale's trying to get everything taken care of and stuff. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. So node projects have actually started making money for people with passive income. You may want to check it out. Strong nodes, Project X nodes. There's all kinds of different nodes you can check out. But they pay a percentage every single day. Some of them pay 0.1 a day. Project X Notes pays 0.17 a day. So you may want to check that out. I got a video that you can check out. I'll link it at the bottom. So, all right, everybody. Cream Finance up crazy right now. Is this a time to look at Cream Finance? Put it on your radar. Do a little price prediction. All right, I wanted to show you this before I go back over there. But take a look at Cronus at 17. I mean Crypto.com. I mean Cronus. CRO, it's been, Crypto.com has been rebranded to Cronus. So just checking that out for everybody, letting you guys know. Again, Cream Finance, crypto rules everything around me. You know, you can kind of go to their portfolio, their different markets that they have. There's your AMP token we were talking about here. So you can do your AMP, you got all your different things. What's over here for a price prediction? So our price prediction is, let's watch it. It's up a tremendous amount, 45% right this second. I'm bringing this to your attention so you know Cream Finance. It's the #1 trending on CoinMarketCap. So keep an eye on it. Cream Finance right here at 602, going all the way to the top. Take a look right here, Cream Finance, #1 trending. It's up 42%. So I decided to do that. Cream Finance is the #1 trending. So bring in a little video so you guys can know it's up 70-some% in the last 7 days. It's crazy up right this second. So yeah, look at Cream Finance up 75% in 7 days. Holy cow, everybody. And the #1 trending right now on CoinMarketCap. So we like to bring you these hot, juicy, what's going on in crypto. #1 trending, Cream Finance. Make sure you check it out. Grayscale, trying to get everything lined up so it could actually be a great investment product. AMP tokens on that. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click right here to learn how you can get 365% on your initial investment, 1% a day, every single day. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. We'll see you a little bit later.